If your JBL headphones are not charging, you're not alone. And honestly, it's one of the most frustrating problems. In this video, I'll walk you through the real reasons why JBL headphones stop charging and the exact fixes that actually work. Step 1. Clean charging port. One of the most common reasons your JBL headphones stop charging is dirt inside the charging port. Dust, lint, or even moisture can block the connection so power doesn't reach the battery. Turn off your headphones and carefully clean the port using a soft brush, toothpick, or compressed air. Make sure you do it gently to avoid damaging the pins. Step 2. Clean charging contacts. If you're using JBL earbuds, dirty charging contacts can easily cause this issue. Sweat, oil, and earwax build up on the metal connectors and stop proper contact with the case. Take a cotton swab, add a small amount of rubbing alcohol, and gently clean both the earbuds and the charging pins inside the case. Let everything dry fully before placing them back. Step 3. Change charging cable. Sometimes the problem isn't your headphones at all, it's the cable. A damaged or low-quality USB cable can stop power from flowing properly. Try using a different cable that you know works and plug it into a wall adapter instead of a laptop or power bank. Cheap cables often fail over time, so switching to a reliable one can instantly solve the issue. Step 4. Check charging port damage. If your charging cable feels loose or doesn't sit properly in the port, there may be physical damage. A bent or worn-out charging port can interrupt the connection, so the headphones won't charge at all. Plug in the cable and gently move it. If the charging starts and stops, that's a clear sign of damage. Step 5. Charge longer time. If your JBL headphones haven't been used for a while, the battery may be completely drained. When this happens, they might not respond immediately when plugged in. Leave them connected to the charger for at least 6 to 8 hours without interruption. Sometimes the battery needs extra time to recover before it starts showing any charging signs. Step 6. Reset headphones. A software glitch can also stop your headphones from charging properly. Resetting the device helps clear temporary bugs. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the headphones restart. After the reset, plug them back in and check if they start charging normally.